Good morning, Linux lovers. From OMGUbuntu.com, Ubuntu Mate 18.04. What's new? It's no secret that the Mate desktop is my favorite desktop environment, whether it's in Linux Mint or in Ubuntu. And I've taken a look at Ubuntu 18.04 during a recent live event, and I really like it. So check it out, a very good article from OMG Ubuntu. Dual booters of the world unite. I've spoken about this before, and how to safely install dual boot Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 alongside Ubuntu. But a very good article from LifeWire for all you newbies out there. If you choose to dual boot, on how to do it, the safest way really is to buy, well, the best way is to purchase a separate refurbished machine, like what I do. I have several. Between $200 $250. ThinkPads are great for laptops. Install it on that one. That way, if you mess something up, you will never ever touch your Windows partition. However, dual booting is safe if you know what you are doing. Booting off a USB stick is great. And of course, installing Ubuntu inside a virtual machine. So check out this article from LifeWire. Finally, here's something that you just don't see every day from 9 to 5 Mac. Democrats outline plans to ask Apple and WhatsApp for help in the Trump-Russia investigation. Man, what a waste of time. Just ask Vladimir. Or are you putting me on?